Hello and welcome to this video. So in this video I want us to look at how to factor a difference of two squares. So what do I mean by a difference of two squares? Now look at these examples that I'm going to write here. So let's say we have x squared minus 36 x squared minus 9 3 let's say x squared minus 27. Okay, and finally let's say we have 2 x squared minus 50. So let's look at that. I hope by the end of this video you will have understood this concept of a difference of two squares. So we call it a difference of two squares because we are involving two squares. Okay, for example, for this one, this is a square and this is a square. Okay, this is a square of x and this is a square of 6, and then we are getting the difference. Okay, the difference of two squares. Now before we look at these examples, I want us to look at something here. So let's say we are expanding this x plus a and then x minus b. Sorry, not b but a. Okay, so let's try to expand this. So we're going to have x, we multiply by x minus a, and then plus a, we multiply by x minus a. Okay, so this is going to be x squared minus ax plus ax and then minus a squared. So what is going to happen here? Minus ax and plus ax is going to cancel out and we're going to be left with 0. Okay, so this is going to be x squared minus a squared. So what is this? This is a difference of two squares. So you can see, so let me write it at the top here, x squared minus a squared. So you can see that this one resembles all this. Okay, this is a square and this is a square, and then we are having a difference. Okay, so when we expand these, we are supposed to get this. So that means that if we factor these, we are supposed to get this. Okay, so if we factor x squared minus a squared, we are supposed to be having x plus a and then x minus a. Okay, so x is the square root of x squared and then a is the square root of a squared. So let's apply that knowledge to work out these examples. So for this case, okay, we are going to have that way. So we are going to have the square root of x squared is x and the square root of 36 is 6. Okay, the square root of x squared is x and 6. That is the square root of 36. And then one of them we put a plus sign and one of them a negative sign, okay, to resemble this one. And that is all. It's that simple. Okay, so for this one it's going to be the square root of x squared is x, the square root of 9 is 3. So we're going to have plus 3 and then another one x minus 3. As simple as that. So let's look at this one. Now, so when you look at this, you see that 3 is common for each one of them. So we can factor out 3 so that we are left with x squared minus 9. Okay, and you see that when we factor this, or you can see that x squared minus 9 is a difference of two squares. That means you're going to have 3 and then a larger bracket that way. Then this one is going to be x plus 3 and x minus 3, that way. Okay, let's look at this final one. Oh, it seems I don't have enough space. Let me write it down here. It's 2x squared minus 50. So 2x squared minus 50. So the same thing, we need to factor out 2, okay, and we're going to be left with x squared minus 25. So x squared minus 25 is a difference of 2 squares. And how do we work it out? We have said that you're going to take the square root of x squared and the square root of 25, which is 5. Then one of them we put a plus and the other one we put a negative sign. So it's as simple as that, guys. So thank you so much for watching that, and if this is your first time on this channel, please take a second and type on the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a video like this, you will not miss it, or you will be the first one to watch it. So goodbye for now.